Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the track pant that I bought from Flipkart. So first we'll open this. And the packing is like that with plastic. Now we are going to open this. And this is a track pant. The MRP of this is rupees 1499. Rupees 1499. But from Flipkart we got discount and we paid rupees 629. And the brand of this is ADRENEX. And the size is XL. And its color is grey color. From front it looks good. From back also it looks good. We also have pockets in this. This is the pocket. It is a long pocket. And we also have pocket at the front. This is the pocket. This is also long. At this side also we have. And I hope you like the video. I recommend you to buy this product. The link will be shared in the description. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.